Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut in Android devices. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. First, open Play Store. And type CapCut on the search bar. And tap Install. Now that CapCut has been downloaded, open it. Tap Accept. And that's how you download CapCut in Android devices. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.